Good morning, class. Today we'll take the last segment of the chapter, Market and Equality. Before this, we read all like who are the gainers in the market. So the foreign business person made the huge profit in the market compared to this garment exporter made only moderate profit. On the other hand, the earnings of the workers at the garment export factory are barely enough to cover their day-to-day needs. Similarly, we saw the small cotton farmer and the weaver at a road put on long hours to hard work, but they did not get the fair price in the market for what they produce. Means they are not getting good remuneration for their work. The merchant traders are somewhere in between. Compared to these weavers, they have earned more, but it is still less than the exporter. Thus, not everyone gains equally in the market. Democracy is also about getting a fair wages in the market. Whether it is Kanta or Swapna, if families don't earn enough, how would they think themselves as equal to others? Means democracy what says that we are equal before the law, equal in all ground, but when we say the wages they are getting less and the profit is gained by the other person. So on one hand the market offers people opportunities for work and to be able to sell things that they grow to produce. It could be the farmer selling cotton or the weavers producing cloth. On the other hand, it is equally the rich and the powerful. So, to get the maximum earnings from the market, these are the people who live money, who have money and own the factories, the large shop, large holdings, etc. The poor have depend on the rich and the powerful in a various things. So they have to depend for loan as in the case of Swapna and small farmer for raw material and marketing of the goods, weavers in the putting out system, and most often employment workers at the garment factory because of the dependence, poor and exploited in the market, and they are way to overcome all these such forming cooperatives of produced and ensuring that the laws are followed strictly. In the last chapter, we will read how much the fish workers cooperatives were started for Tawa River. Here, if I conclude this chapter by saying this market and equality, so we see that the more profit is taken by the business person and less profit is taken by the farmers. So it should be equal. How it can be equal? When different cooperatives are working, because that they should earn more in comparison when they are dependent to rich merchants or traders. सो डेमोक्रेसी क्या कहती है कि डेमोक्रेसी में क्या है, उनकी वेजेस जो हैं वो फेयर होनी चाहिए, मतलब वो जितना काम करते हैं उतना उनको मिलना चाहिए. कांता और स्वप्ना की हम बात करें, अगर वो अपनी फैमिली के लिए काम ना करें तो उनकी फैमिली का क्या हाल होगा. तो दैट इज़ नॉट कंपेयर विद द रिच पर्सन. फिर अगर हम इसकी बात करते हैं कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ जो हैं वो उनको बेचने के लिए या ख़रीदने के लिए, प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए भी पूरी मिलनी चाहिए. अगर कोई फार्मर क्या है, इफ़ इट ग्रोज देन वीवर प्रोड्यूसिंग क्लोथ ऑन द अदर हैंड यूजुअली रिच एंड पावरफुल गेट मैक्सिमम अर्निंग्स. तो जो जिनके पास पैसा है उनकी अर्निंग अच्छी है, जिनके पास पैसा नहीं है दे आर नॉट गेटिंग मच. सो मनी ऑन द फैक्ट्रीज, शॉप्स एंड लार्ज होर्डिंग्स, इनके पास अच्छा मिलेगा. जबकि पुअर की बात करें तो उनके पास ज़्यादा नहीं है. वो डिपेंड करते हैं लैंड ओनर्स पर, डिपेंड करते हैं आपका स्मॉल पुटिंग सिस्टम पर. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा चैप्टर था. इसके बाद आपको NCERT यू हैव टू ऑल विद ग्लोसरी एंड एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन आई विल सेंड tomorrow, that is on Monday. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.